In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the best traders to copy on eToro. To get started, sign in to your eToro account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before you begin, so you can review trader profiles and copy trading options without interruption. Once you're in, head over to the left-hand menu and click on Discover. This is where eToro organizes different investment ideas, tools, and investor categories, so it's the right place to begin your search. From there, open the Pro Investors or Popular Investor section. This area is designed to help you find traders whose activity can be copied, and it gives you a starting point for evaluating different options. After that, begin browsing the available traders. Take your time here. You're not just looking for someone with eye-catching returns, but someone whose style and performance seem consistent with what you're comfortable with as an investor. When you find a trader that looks interesting, click on their profile to open it. Inside the profile, you'll be able to review more detailed information. Pay close attention to their performance statistics, including returns, risk score, and portfolio information. These details can help you understand not only how they've performed in the past, but also how they invest and how much risk they typically take on. For example, a high return may look attractive, but if it comes with a very high risk score, that may not suit every investor. Next, compare multiple traders before making a decision. This is an important part of the process, because choosing the first profile you see can lead to a rushed decision. Open several trader profiles and review their statistics side by side. Look for patterns in their performance, the types of assets they hold, and whether their approach feels aligned with your own investment preferences. Once you've reviewed enough options, select the trader you want to copy. Choose someone who matches your goals, risk tolerance, and overall investing style. The best trader for one person may not be the best for someone else, so focus on fit rather than popularity alone. When you're ready, click, copy, and enter your investment amount. Before confirming, double-check the amount you want to allocate so you're comfortable with the commitment. After that, you can start copy trading and let the platform mirror that trader's positions according to your settings. Thanks for watching.